Try not to laugh. It's raining tacos from out of the sky. Tacos, no need to ask why. I'm gonna scare you right now, man. I'm making waffles.
I believe I can fly. I believe I can touch the sky.
He's a cat. Flushing the toilet, he's a cat. Flushing the toilet, he's a cat. Flushing the toilet, he's a cat. Flushing the toilet.
I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. If you did enjoy it, please give it a like. Also, subscribe to join the Chin channel, and once you subscribe, you can become a Chinchillian. Also, if you like these videos on the Try Not to Laugh, give it a like. We'll see you guys later. Bye. Try not to laugh.